Hello guys, join me today as I make this oven homemade catfish barbecue for my family. Here are all the ingredients that we're going to be using to prepare oven homemade catfish barbecue. I got right here tomatoes, onions, there is habanero pepper, we got seasoning, we got the green pepper, fish itself that we're going to use, as well as the Irish potatoes just standing right beside that. We got a big cabbage right at the end. Spices. The spices has got lots of different varieties, from ginger to garlic, dried onions, salt, and all of that we've got to use all together. So we're getting started right now. We would go straight away to grind our pepper. Okay, I'll be right back. So now we already cut our Irish potatoes into pieces, and you can see it's squeaky clean over there. Also, we cut our onions, green pepper, as well as grounded pepper, and you can see all of that in there. So we're ready to go. Okay, now we get the margarine into the pan, and that is to fry the pepper. So we had our onions and green pepper. We get on to add the pepper. So adding the pepper. So we have to fry the pepper for some minutes. Then we can now add the seasoning, and we allow it to steam. Seasoning added. So this steams for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna put the lid. Yeah, the steam sauce is ready. We would now have to apply that to the fish. The fish is already cut. There you go. So we have the pepper almost around the fish. So this is almost all ready now to go in. So we're now ready to go because we added the steamed sauce, and it can now go in. Let's go. Now we get the peppered Irish potatoes into the pan. So we do that while we get ready the oven. So it's all spread out in the pan and ready to go in the oven. So we're getting that into the oven. Then we apply the covering. So after applying the covering, we leave it in there for another 45 minutes. So it's 45 minutes already. And it's all done. And you can see the fish as well. All done. So it's now out of the oven, and it's all ready to go. All you just need to do is add your sliced cabbage, and it's exactly what we've done right here. So everything now added, and it's ready to be consumed, because now we have our sliced cabbage, and we already also have the prepared Irish potatoes, and that is ready. So that brings us to the end of the preparation of our oven homemade catfish barbecue, which is made for the family, ready for consumption, and we're going right down to business now. So thank you, and catch you some other time again. Till then, bye.